Okay, we have some images here where we can clearly see the binding, which is what's here on the edge. If we have a binding, we know the binding holes is what we're showing up here on X-ray. When we see a dot like this that is the same density as this, we need to evaluate, is that a hole or is it a divot in the media or something like that. We've got a couple of other images where we're seeing these, so we need to identify what those are. The customer under fluoroscopy has indicated with tape where these areas are. So as I open this up, we'll be able to see clearly what these are in relationship to imaging versus what we're seeing on the media. So right here, there should be two spots right here that we're seeing in the media. So if you look here, there's absolutely nothing, no holes, no punctures, nothing at all with the media. And with this particular garment, this is just one layer. And if we look on the other side, there's not anything there either. So right here, there should be three areas here that's showing up on imaging. So if I pull it right here, again, there's absolutely nothing on the media. So if I flip it over, again, there's no holes, there's no divots, there's no nothing. So we do not have any holes, we do not have any pinholes, we do not have anything that's showing up radiographically. Right here, there's supposed to be an area of a divot, or a pinhole. So again, that should be right here. There's no holes, no pinholes, nothing at all on the media. So if I flip it onto the other side, it should be about right here. Again, there's absolutely nothing. So let's lay this back down up here at the top. Right here is an indication that there should be something that we're seeing on the media. So if I put my finger directly over where that is, there's no holes, no pinholes, no nothing. Let's look on the other side. There's nothing. There's no pinholes, no cracks, nothing in the media. So what this is showing me, with the advancement of digital imaging, there's not an explanation really as to what is showing a white dot versus a known hole. Because technically that right there, this hole, if this truly is a hole, it should look exactly like this. So again, right here, you should be able to see something that looks like a puncture, which is an actual hole, and we're just not seeing it anywhere here in the media here at all.